Hey guys, I'm Naoto Pro Beats, and today I want to talk to you about the reasons why I love mixing with drafts. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, let's get right into it. When I say mixing with drafts, I mean mixing versions. I've been using this type of workflow since forever, and I want to give you reasons why I love working like this. I know that a lot of engineers take pride in delivering an amazing first mix. That's not me. This workflow might not work for you, but you can take just pieces of it and incorporate it in your workflow. And the first reason why I love working with drafts is my short attention span. Since forever, I've been having troubles paying attention to just one thing for more than a few hours. And I think that working just 1 to 2 hours per day on a single song really helps me to stay engaged and to deliver the best possible result that I can do. So for me, it's really easy to get distracted. It's really easy to get frustrated with what I'm doing because in the beginning, every single mix will sound like garbage, or most mixes will sound really bad, and you have to put in some work to get it at a point where you are satisfied with. That's why in my first draft I really get the basic stuff done. For example, my editing, cleaning the noises, doing the basic leveling, doing the basic panning, trying to get a feel for the track, what sends I'll be using, reverbs, delays and things like that. And when I'm happy with the first draft, I just save it and move to the next song, and that's how I keep myself engaged with work. I like working on multiple songs a day. I like keeping things new and interesting. I just don't like spending like an entire day working on a single project. Another reason why I love working with drafts is that I can keep myself busy. I don't have to wait for revisions from a single client. I have multiple clients. I have revisions coming in each day. I just make the changes, send new drafts out, and that's how I can keep having like a large volume of work. I really enjoy it because it doesn't allow me to have downtime, just wasting time when I'm in the studio. I just like to work, and that's why having 10 tracks that you are working on is far better for me than just working on a single track. And since I do everything online, I work with clients all over the world, so the time zones are really different. I just cannot afford to wait for a feedback from a client that's sleeping when I'm working. I can keep things moving. I really enjoy that. Another great thing about working with drafts is that you have everything saved up. You have each step saved, you have the backup, you have a safety net, because sometimes I mess up and I really change the feel of the mix and the vision that the artist had for it. So when that happens, I can just go back and revert to a previous version. That also makes me a bit more confident in taking bold mixing moves and trying things out, because I know that I can go back without any issues, and that really allows my creativity to shine when it comes to mixing. Another great reason for working with drafts is that this workflows allows me to engage more with the artist, allows me to bring the artist closer to me, allows me to bring his vision into the track, and allows me to build a more solid relation with the artist. I really think that this is really important. I work online, I don't get to meet people face to face. This process allows me to bring the artist into the mixing and allows me to listen to exactly what he wants and to listen to his vision for that project. The only downside that I can see for this workflow is that you have to be upfront with your artists. You have to provide the information about your workflow. You have to let them know, hope that they will understand. After the first project working like this, I assure you that if you deliver, the client will understand you and they will trust you with future songs for sure. So let me show you how this works inside Studio One. As you can see, I'm working on a track and I'm on draft number 6. This is really easy to do inside Studio One. You just go save, new version. If you want to go back, you just hit restore version and you have everything from the original to the first draft, second, all the drafts you have. I think that's really amazing. One thing that's really nice, let's say that you've made some changes that you like in draft 8, but you also made some changes that you don't like in the same draft and you like better a previous draft. You can save them and you can import the settings into a new draft without any problems. You can just take like the lead processing from draft draft 1 and the instrumental processing from draft 6. You can just combine them into a new draft. This is how things work inside Studio One. Really easy to use, nothing fancy, nothing too complicated. I like having this numerical system, and this is how I work every single day. I really hope that you find this video helpful. I really hope that you can take some of the workflow I use and incorporate it in your workflow. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you guys really soon. Cheers.